How to get the Gold Coast filter. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the Gold Coast filter. So first thing, go to your TikTok, tap on post, now tap on effect and keep search, and this is the filter. If you didn't find the filter between your trading effect, just go back, tap on discover, tap on search and tap Gold Coast filter, and this is the effect. If you didn't find the effect, just tap on one of those videos and tap on Gold Coast, tap on try this effect, and just this is it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.